In this video, I'm going to show you how to order off JoyaGoo. So the first thing you'll need is a JoyaGoo account. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. And if you sign up using my link, you'll get some nice bonuses and coupons over here you can use on JoyaGoo. So make sure you check that out. You will not regret it. Now, once you have your account, you can then just start ordering. So let me just show you how to do this. So first, you will have to just find a product, either by using a product's link or name or shop's link, okay? So you can just type in whatever you want or paste in a link. For this instance, we're gonna just do in shirt. So I'm gonna type in shirt and press submit. Now, this is very basic. Of course, if you have a specific thing you would like to buy, make sure you describe it better. So I can do men's t-shirt, for example, which is a bit more specific. And then it's gonna find, there we go, men's t-shirts. Now, after you do this, the first important thing you want to do is you want to make sure you filter if you want to actually go from Taobao over here or 1688, okay? So I think this is Alibaba, I might be wrong. So yeah, you can just filter where you want to actually buy, and then you can filter whether things are on sale or not, and then you can also filter if you want prices from highest to lowest prices, okay? As you can see, some of these are very, very expensive, while some are quite cheap and you can get them for yourself quite easily, even 1 cent. There we go. So I'm gonna go general right now, and let's just pick a random t-shirt. So over here, I'm just gonna go through this. You can of course pick whatever you want, and let's say this is the shirt I want, okay? So I'm gonna click on this, and then to actually order, you're gonna see some things on your screen over here. It's gonna start loading, there we go. And the first thing you're going to see is you'll see the price. Now over here, of course, you can also make this favorite. You can get the product link or affiliate shared if you want to. And you can also enter the store, which what this will basically do is it will take you to their official store over here, where you can see everything from this specific seller. And then you can buy other things in case you want that too. So here you can then see the size helper. So you want to click on size helper. You want to see what size you're actually doing. So for this, I'm going to do centimeters, UK, and I'm going to do, when it says women's top, I'm going to do men's top, okay? So you want to do whatever you're actually buying. So if it's shoes, it's shoes. If it's pants, pants. If it's tops, it's tops. They also have rings, etc. So you have to see the size guide, and then once you're happy, you want to select the color. We're going to go with this darker color over here, and then you have to select a size. I'm going to go, for example, with this one, and then you want to put in the quantity. I want 2 of these. And then you can leave a message in case you have any special requirements to go together with the order. If you don't, you can click check agree, and then you can click either add to cart or buy now. So if you want to buy some other things, you can press add to cart, but if not, just click on buy now. And then there we go, you can confirm this. You'll see this is going to be the item you're now buying. Over here, make sure you double check this, select the destination country over here to which they're sending, there we go. And then you can see the domestic shipping, unit price, and then the amount. You can also add some value-added service if you want to, and that's then it. Then you have to agree and read this over here where it says it, and then you want to click on Buy Now. And this is going to take you over here to the checkout page. There we go. You'll have to again select the country, and then you have to select the payment method. Now, you have balance, you have debit or credit card, you have Skrill or Google Pay. Keep in mind, once you change between these, so the price will change as well because of some fees and shipping costs, etc. So let me show you. Maybe this time it won't change. There we go. It already changed. So it's $27.38 now. When you use debit, it's $28.69. When you use Skrill, it's the same. And when you use Google Pay, it's the same. Now, usually, if you use the balance on here, it's going to be pretty much the cheapest way. But of course, if you don't do that, of course, you're going to have to pay a few cents more, upwards to like $1.50 maybe, and then you'll be good to go. So do whatever you want. And once you've done this, just tap on pay for order. And once you do that, you're going to have to put in your shipping details. And then basically they will just buy this and send it to you, to your address, and you'll be able to get your items. So that's pretty much it. That's how to order off JoyaGoo. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.